Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will be discussing a very interesting topic on how to replace a timing belt like. When it comes to car maintenance, there's one component that holds incredible power over your engine's fate: the timing belt. Think of it as the conductor of an orchestra, making sure your pistons and valves move in perfect harmony. But here's the catch. If the timing belt fails, that harmony turns into chaos. Valves can bend, pistons can crack, and your engine could face catastrophic damage. The good news? You don't have to wait for disaster. Replacing a timing belt may sound intimidating, but with patience, the right tools, and clear steps, you can do it yourself, just like a pro. Today, I'll guide you through how to replace a timing belt safely and correctly. By the end, you'll not only understand the process, but you'll also feel empowered to tackle it head-on. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. So let's begin. Step 1. Gather your tools and parts. Every professional job begins with preparation. You'll need a wrench and socket set, screwdrivers, a torque wrench, jack and jack stands, a new timing belt kit, which usually includes the belt, tensioner, and sometimes pulleys, gloves, and safety glasses. Always buy a timing belt kit recommended for your specific car model. Trust me, using the wrong parts can cost you far more than the price of the kit. Step 2. Safety first. Park your car on the level surface, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then, lift the front of the car and secure it with jack stands. Professionals never compromise on safety, and neither should you. Step 3. Remove engine covers and components. The timing belt isn't just sitting there waiting for you, it's hidden behind layers of components. Start by removing the engine covers. Depending on your car, you may also need to remove the accessory belts, power steering pump, or even the alternator. Yes, it's a bit of work, but think of it like unwrapping a gift. The best part is inside. Step 4. Align the timing marks. This is the most critical step. Rotate the crankshaft until the timing marks on the crankshaft and camshaft line up perfectly with the manufacturer's specifications. Step 5. Remove the old belt. Loosen the tensioner and carefully slide off the old belt. Take a good look at it. You'll probably see cracks, frays, or shiny worn teeth. That's proof you're doing the right thing by replacing it. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. Step 6. Install the new timing belt. Now, with the timing marks still aligned, install the new belt. Start at the crankshaft, then work your way around the camshaft and other pulleys, keeping the belt tight on the non-tension side. Once it's in place, reinstall or adjust the tensioner. Use your torque wrench to set it to the manufacturer's recommended specification. This ensures the belt has the perfect tension, tight enough to stay in place, but not so tight that it wears out prematurely. Step 7. Double-check everything. Before putting everything back together, double-check the alignment. Rotate the crankshaft 2 full turns by hand and see if the timing marks return to their exact positions. If they do, congratulations, you nailed it. If not, reset and try again. Pros don't rush this step. It's the difference between a smooth-running engine and a very costly mistake. Step 8. Reassemble the engine. Now, reinstall everything you removed: covers, accessory belts, pumps, and finally reconnect the battery. Take your time and make sure each part is secure. Step 9. Test the engine. Moment of truth. Start the engine and listen closely. If it idles smoothly without strange noises, you've just completed one of the most advanced DIY car maintenance tasks out there. That's a pro-level achievement. Step 10. Why this matters. Most timing belts need replacing every 60 to 100,000 miles, depending on your car. Ignore it, and you risk catastrophic engine damage. Replace it, and you extend your engine's life by years. Plus, doing it yourself can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars in labor costs. And there you have it. your step-by-step guide to replacing a timing belt like a pro. Yes, it's a challenging task. Yes, it requires patience and precision. But with the right mindset, the right tools, and this roadmap, you can do it. Remember, the timing belt isn't just a part. It's the heartbeat of your engine. Take care of it, and your car will reward you with miles of smooth, reliable driving. So the next time someone says replacing a timing belt is too hard for a DIYer, you can smile, wipe your hands clean, and say, "Watch me." Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Your support will help keep the content coming. Stay safe, and see you in the next one.